Good morning, students. Yesterday we have already seen in our lesson understanding the diversity. Yesterday we have already seen the information about Ladakh. We are differentiating the different types of places in India. First one is Ladakh that we have already explained in the last video. Ladakh is a place in the northern part of our country. Means it is near Jammu and Kashmir. Now today we are going to study about Kerala. Kerala is in the southern part of our country. So Kerala is a state in the southwest corner of India. It is surrounded by the sea on one side and hills on the other side. A number of spices like pepper, cloves, cardamoms are grown on hills. It is spices that made this region an attractive place for traders. Means there are different types of spices are found. That's why the traders attract Kerala. Jewish and Arab traders were the first to come here. Means in the last years, in last 200 to 300 years ago, the Jewish and Arab traders come here for trade. The apostle of Christ, Saint Thomas, is believed to have come here nearly 2000 years ago. And he is credited with the bringing Christianity to India. Means this Christian religion comes to in India with the help of Christ Saint Thomas. Also, many Arab traders also came and settled down here. Some of the travelers like Ibn Battuta, who traveled here a little less than 700 years ago. Means from today 700 years ago, Ibn Battuta came to Kerala. He wrote a travelogue in which he described the lives of Muslims. In his travelogue means description about the travel, experience in the travel, that is the travelogue. In his travelogue, Ibn Battuta writes about the lives of Muslims, how they can live, how the lifestyle of the Muslims. About that he has written in his travelogue and says that they were a highly respected community. According to Ibn Battuta, Muslims are highly respected community. After that, Portuguese discovered the sea route to India from Europe. When Vasco da Gama landed with his ship here, one of the founder, Vasco da Gama, comes here in Kerala. He found the different types of features of Kerala and how it is useful for the trade. He understands by seeing all the natural resources from Kerala. Because of all these various historical influences, people in Kerala practice different religions such as Judaism, Islam, Christianity, Hinduism and Buddhism. Means all the types of religions people lived here. The fishing nets used here look exactly like the Chinese fishing nets are called Chinawala. Even these Chinawala nets are used here. And why it is the name Chinawala? Because the nets that brings from China. That's why the name Chinawala is given to that nets. Even the utensils used for frying is called the China Chati. China Chati means it is believed that the word Chin could have come from China. That's why this Chin word is used. Also, the another features of Kerala is the land of Kerala is fertile and the climate is suited for growing rice, and majority of people from here eat rice, fish and vegetables. Means this is the general information about Kerala. Means in Kerala there are different types of resources, while in Ladakh there is scarcity of resources. Means there are no any type of resources. Only pashmina wool can found in Ladakh, but all the things like spices, rice, and all the things are found in Kerala. Now we will see the different types of differences between Kerala and Ladakh. While Kerala and Ladakh are quite different in terms of their geographical features. Though Kerala and Ladakh's geographical features are different, the history of both regions has seen similar cultural influences. But the culture of both these areas is same. Both these regions and these cultures were influenced by Chinese and Arab traders. It was the geography of Kerala which allowed for the cultivation of spices, and the spatial geographical location of Ladakh and its wool that drew traders to these regions. Mean both these regions, the Arab traders and the Chinese traders come to Ladakh as well as Kerala. Thus, history and geography are often tied in the cultural life of a region. Means cultural life is same from Ladakh and Kerala, but the geographical structure is different. This is the diversity. The influence of diverse cultures is not merely a thing of the past. Our present lives are all about moving from place to place for work, and with each move, our cultural traditions and way of life slowly become part of the new place are in. Similarly, in our neighborhoods, we live close to people from several communities. Our daily lives are about the ways in which we do things together and hear stories and each other's lives, customs and traditions. Means in this point, in yesterday's and today's point, we differentiate between the climate, weather and the different things and the resources in Ladakh and Kerala. But according to the historical heritage or cultural heritage, both the cultural heritages are same in Ladakh and Kerala, because these both types of conditions are related with India. That's why its cultural resources are same. Thank you, students.